Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about losing a wallet. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between Sarah and Charlie when Sarah discovers her wallet is missing. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Oh no, where is my wallet?
What? Your wallet is missing?
Yes, I can't find it anywhere.
Are you sure it's not in your bag?
I looked already. It's not here.
Let me help you look.
Thank you. I'm so worried.
Don't worry, we will find it.
I hope so. It has all my cards.
When did you last see it?
This morning when I bought coffee.
Okay, let's check your pockets first.
It's not in my jacket pockets.
I don't see it under the table either.
Maybe it fell on the floor?
I'm looking everywhere. Nothing here.
This is terrible. What should I do?
Stay calm. Let's think step by step.
You're right. I need to think clearly.
Where did you go before here?
I went to the bookstore first.
Did you buy anything there?
Yes, I bought a magazine.
So you had your wallet then. Let's go back to the bookstore.
Good idea. Maybe I dropped it there.
Did you go anywhere else after that?
Yes, I stopped at the pharmacy too.
We should check both places.
What if we don't find it?
Then we call your bank.
And cancel my credit cards?
Yes, that's the safe thing to do.
I also need to call about my ID.
One step at a time. Let's go look first.
Okay, thank you for helping me. Should I ask the cafe workers here?
That's a great idea. Let's ask them.
Excuse me, did anyone find a wallet?
A small brown leather wallet.
No one turned in a wallet? Are you sure?
They said no. Let's try the bookstore now.
I really hope it's there.
Me too. Stay positive.
It's hard not to worry.
I understand. But worrying won't help.
You're right, let's go.
The bookstore is just around the corner.
I can't believe I lost my wallet.
These things happen to everyone.
Has it happened to you before?
Yes, last year I lost mine at the mall.
Did you find it?
Yes, someone turned it into security.
That makes me feel a little better.
Most people are honest and helpful.
I hope you're right.
Look, there's the bookstore.
Let's hurry, I'm getting nervous.
Everything will be okay.
Excuse me, I was here this morning.
She bought a magazine around 10 o'clock.
Did I leave my wallet here by mistake?
It's a small brown leather wallet.
Oh no, you haven't seen it?
Are you sure? Maybe someone else found it?
Nobody brought in a wallet today?
Thank you for checking anyway.
This is so frustrating.
Don't give up yet. We have more places to check.
You're right. Let's try the pharmacy.
That's our next stop.
I'm starting to lose hope.
Don't say that. We still have the pharmacy.
What if it's not there either?
Then we'll figure out what to do next.
I had so much cash in there.
How much money was in it?
About $60.
That's not too bad.
But I also had my driver's license.
We can get a new one at the DMV.
That will take so much time.
I know, but it's not the end of the world.
Hi, I was here earlier today.
Around noon, she thinks.
Did I accidentally leave my wallet here?
It's small and brown, made of leather.
Really? No one found a wallet?
Could you please double check?
Maybe it's in your lost and found.
We really appreciate you looking.
Still nothing? I'm so disappointed.
Thank you for your help anyway.
Now what should we do?
Let's think of other places you went.
Let me think. Where else did I go?
Take your time. Think carefully.
I went to the bank this morning too.
Before or after the bookstore?
Before. I got cash from the ATM.
So you definitely had it then.
Yes, I remember putting it back in my bag.
What about after the pharmacy?
I walked straight to the cafe to meet you.
Did you stop anywhere along the way?
No, I don't think so.
Maybe we should call the bank.
Hello, this is Sarah Johnson.
Ask if anyone turned in a wallet.
Did someone bring in a lost wallet today?
Tell them what it looks like.
It's small and brown with my ID inside.
What are they saying?
They're checking their lost items.
I hope they have good news.
No, they don't have it either.
That's disappointing.
They said to call if I need to cancel my cards.
We might have to do that soon.
I feel so stupid for losing it.
You're not stupid. It could happen to anyone.
I'm usually so careful with my things.
Everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
What if someone is using my credit cards right now?
That's why we need to cancel them soon.
I guess we should do that now.
It's the smart thing to do.
I hate making all these phone calls.
I can help you with the calls.
Thank you. You're so kind.
That's what friends are for.
I need to call my credit card company.
Do you have their phone number?
It's on the back of my card.
But your card is in your wallet.
Oh, right. I can look it up online.
Good idea. Use your phone.
Here it is. I'll call them now.
Tell them your card might be stolen.
I will. This is so stressful.
Just stay calm and explain everything.
Okay, it's ringing now.
You're doing great.
Yes, I need to report my card as lost.
Good. They'll cancel it right away.
They're asking for my account information.
Can you remember your account number?
I think so. Let me try.
Take your time.
Yes, that's correct. Please cancel it immediately.
Are they sending you a new card?
Yes, it will arrive in 3 business days.
That's pretty fast.
Thank you so much for your help.
1 card down. How many more to go?
Now I need to call my debit card company.
I found their number on my phone.
You're so helpful, thank you.
Here's the number.
This is much easier with your help.
We make a good team.
Hello, I need to cancel my debit card.
You're getting faster at this.
Yes, please cancel it right now.
How long for the new card?
They said 5 to 7 days.
Not too bad.
Okay, my cards are all canceled now.
Good job. That was the most important thing.
Now I need to get a new driver's license.
The DMV closes at 5 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It's already 4:30.
We'll have to go tomorrow morning then.
I can drive you there if you want.
That would be wonderful.
What about cash for tonight?
I have some money at home.
Perfect. Let's head back, Ben.
I feel so much better now.
You handled everything really well.
I couldn't have done it without you.
You would have figured it out.
Maybe, but it was nice to have help.
That's what friends do for each other.
I'm still sad about losing the wallet, though.
I know, but everything important is taken care of.
You're right. It could have been worse.
Much worse. You acted quickly.
At least now I can relax a little.
You deserve to relax after all that stress.
Let me get my keys to go inside.
I'll wait here while you get your cash.
Wait, what is this in my pocket?
What did you find?
Oh my goodness, it's my wallet.
Are you serious? Your wallet was there?
Yes, it was in my jacket pocket the whole time.
But you said you checked your pockets.
I checked the wrong jacket.
You mean you have 2 jackets?
I grabbed a different jacket when we left.
That's incredible. What are the chances?
I can't believe it. Everything is still here.
Your cash, your cards, your ID?
Everything. Nothing is missing.
But wait, you already canceled your cards.
Oh no, you're right.
Don't worry, you can call them back.
Can I tell them it was a false alarm?
Sure, they deal with this all the time.
What a crazy day this has been.
At least it has a happy ending.
Thank you for being such a good friend.
Anytime. I'm just happy we found it.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. By practicing English like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. What would you do if you lost your wallet? Tell me in the comments below. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you learn. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. See you next time. Bye.